Art, Enhance Your Style. Welcome to Art, Enhance Your Style Series 1 and 2. In this lesson plan, I will be covering 18 lectures, several demonstrations, and useful class exercises. This series will benefit the budding artist and the novice artist, and even the creative individual who wants to be inspired. Whether you want to paint for fun or as a profession, this class is for you. There is something for everyone. So hop on board and come take a ride with me to see what's in store. The journey begins with Series 1, Color Theory, Elements of Art and Principles of Design, Emotional Color Theory, Unique Tools, Past and Present Day Artists, Art Journaling, Imagination, Collage, Portfolio. The journey continues with Series 2, Expressive Abstract Art History, the Painterly Style, Compositional Structures, Media and Medium versus Mediums, Precisionism, the Underpainting, Deconstructivism, Art Critiquing, Giclée. Now here's a little bit about me. Ever since I was first introduced to my first set of crayons, I fell in love with color. I've always loved color. I found that as I got older, expressive abstract art was the most exhilarating avenue for me, and I felt like it allowed me to utilize colors in the most imaginative and creative ways possible. When I paint, I'm searching through and exploring through my creative imagination. I want you to be able to do the same thing. I fly through so many different feelings and thoughts and emotions, and I tend to let my intuition help me and assist me with my choices, whether it's, I want to paint in this direction, or I want to use this paint color. I especially enjoy helping people, like those who say that, I'm not an artist, I can't paint, I can't draw. I especially like helping those people to break down those barriers and see that, yeah, actually you can. If you can put a pen in your hand and you can move it around, you can create art. It's that simple. All you gotta know are some of the basic skills and techniques, and then you can just go on and start creating some wonderful, magnificent things. There's always something that will elicit an idea that I can embark on. And I want to help you to be able to do the same thing. You can make art whatever you want it to be, and that's what's so fun and what's so wonderful.